Hey folks, you guys ever have these lighters that you use to light candles up? Sometimes they work, sometimes they run out of gas. Okay, right, start a nice little fire. We usually use them for candles, for the barbecue, right? Light up everything. Check this out. They came out with an electronic one, an electric one. Comes with a USB plug. Okay, USB-C. Plug into your little block that you have. Comes in a set of two. This company brand is the Arc barbecue lighter. Got it from Amazon. So you charge it up, and there's four little lights over here that shows that it's charged. All right, it's in the off position now, so when you push the button, nothing happens. Okay, that's in the off position. I'm sorry, nothing happens. Okay, it doesn't light up. But once you put it to the on position, you're gonna get the four lights, and you push this button. Now watch, lights up like that. Let's get a napkin or a tissue here. Let me just show you how that works. Watch this. Put it up here. Put it in between there. I hit it. Lights it right up. Amazing, right? So, no more gas. I don't know how long the battery lasts, but we'll see. Here is a candle. Let's check this out. Put it on the wick. Okay, can you see the wick? I'm just going to light it up here. Check that out. Cool, right? Let's get a little closer look on this one. So you can bring it down further. Right, a little arc there. You can hear it. All right, let's go here. Go to arc. Put it right there. And it lights it up. Check that out. Okay, no fuss, no muss. Put the light, shut it off. And it doesn't get hot. Okay, it's got a little warm because I only use it for a couple seconds, but not like this. That you had it on. Okay, and by the time you're done, that tip is going to be hot. This one there, it's not. All right, so turn it on again. Has all the powers. Push this. Creates a little arc. Great tool. All right. You could use it for whatever you want to light up. That's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.